Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight in Jeep Grand Cherokee Easy Method. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake for safety. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Wear gloves to protect bulbs and hands. Open the hood, locate the headlight housing, and remove any covers or clips blocking access. Keep fasteners in a small tray so they do not get lost during reassembly. Begin by removing the access cover or any retaining clips to reach the bulb. Carefully unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight back. Rotate or unclip the bulb holder to free the old bulb and pull the bulb straight out without twisting the glass. Inspect the housing and connector for corrosion or dirt and clean gently if needed. Set the old bulb aside for proper disposal or recycling. Handle the new bulb only by the plastic or metal base to avoid skin oil causing hot spots. Align the bulb tabs with the housing, insert it straight in, and secure with the retaining clip or twist lock. Reattach the electrical connector until it clicks to ensure a solid connection. Test the headlight by briefly reconnecting the battery and turning on the lights. If alignment looks off, adjust the aim before replacing covers and closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.